If you want Siri to finally feel smarter, faster, and actually helpful, Apple Intelligence is the upgrade you need. And the best part, switching from regular Siri to Apple Intelligence is easier than you think, as long as you meet a few requirements. Let's walk through everything step by step so you can turn it on in just a couple of minutes. First, Apple Intelligence doesn't work on every iPhone. You must have one of these models: iPhone 16, 16 Pro, 16 Pro Max, or the iPhone 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max. Even the regular iPhone 15 won't support it, so double check your device before continuing. Next, your iPhone has to be running iOS 18. To update, head into Settings, General, Software Update, and install iOS 18 if you haven't already. Once the update is done, go back into Settings, General, and open Accessibility. You should now see a new section called Apple Intelligence. Tap it, and you'll get a quick intro about what's new. Just hit continue and follow the prompts. Now let's connect it to Siri. Open Settings, Siri and Search, and you should see an option to enable Apple Intelligence for Siri. If that option doesn't appear yet, look for a button that says Request Access, tap it, and once Apple approves it, the feature will unlock automatically. There are two final settings that people often forget. Your region must be set to United States. To check that, go to Settings, General, Language and Region, and make sure the region is the United States. After that, make sure Siri's language is set to English, United States, inside the Siri and Search settings. Once everything is in place, you're all set. Siri will switch over to Apple Intelligence, giving you quicker responses, more natural conversations, and brand new AI-powered features built right into your iPhone. And that's it. Now you're running Apple's smartest version of Siri yet. If this guide helped you out, stick around for more easy tutorials just like this.